Ishmael. Sister Shella? That's your sister?
No matter what comes your way.
Yeah? Yeah, you hold your sister. That's nice.
We're going to be as safe.
You're a big girl.
And I was sitting there in the pew and I was thinking, what the pastor said, walk around the front and pray. When I walked down the front.
She having fun with his sister, his grandma.
Look at that tooth.
Everybody here. Right, Shella?
Here you go.
No, are you giving me my hand back? I can't touch Shella, Islan?
No.
Why not?
She's mine. Tell her she's mine.
That's it. She's so mine.
Yeah?
Tell her, Mommy, she's mine.
Hi, Hoka.
She's so cute.
Oh. See?
God touches me and like he pours warm oil on my head. Over my head.
Be gentle.
Don't touch
Don't touch
Shella.
Shella?
No?
Who can touch Shella?
Nana.
All I could do was speak in tongues.
Right?
I couldn't
No.
Yeah, she's mine.
in English.
No, she's mine.
Mine.
No, you say she's mine.
No, she's mine.
Mine.
Is this anything? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And again,
No. Mine.
adamant.
You mine?
It's done.
You mine.
Oh, this is mine. Not.
Okay.